Yo, let's fucking go. Anyone out there? Let's get this out of the way. And maybe zoom out a bit. Already gave all the goods away here in the previous screen. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna need today. It's the bowl board. 60% true HHKB layout with a plateless mount, tadpoles somewhere in there. And let's dig this out for a show before I get into the pieces. Right, seems to be number 1 of 10. Small run on a Discord server, and I kind of liked the looks of it. So, hey, also I do not own a true HHKB layout, which at least in Cherry, of course. So, really curious to get this going. It has a daughterboard design, which kind of threads the whole thing through there. And there are a lot of screws to undo, and I'll deal with all of that later, I guess, because I should get soldering first. Yo, hey Tom. Right. I was so smart to prepare the PCB, so the layout is correct at least. I can basically get going with that. And it should work fine out of the box once it's done. Right, what else do I need? There's a wire here with the tadpoles. Got these stabies or whatever they are, and I guess they don't come with... Great, they don't even come out of the box, but I don't think they come with the wire I need. So it's nice to include that. Hello? How the fuck is this packaged? Just wedged in there with so much... Oh! Yeah, okay, that's 6.25. Okay, so... Whoops. Good thing this is part of the package. Okay, so I need a left shift and enter, I guess. Let's get back in there. And also... all of this stuff. I'm not counting, I should be counting. 1, 2, 3. So I hope this is gonna be a short build, because with no plate, there's surprisingly few things that could go wrong here, I think, or I hope. Also, preparing the switches is what actually delayed me. I think I got the board in March, even. I forgot the date, it's been so long. Like, absolutely criminal to let it sit on the shelf that long. But it's not even the worst I have here. I still got the 722 G on board, and that is waiting for me to desolder switches and clean them and mod them, and it's just not happening for months. So yeah. These switches at least I had already cleaned, so that was much easier to get going from there. Okay, let's leave all of this to the case assembly. I guess I can open a build guide. I think I'll be fine. I mean, it's a keyboard. I should be able to deal with that. Let's get this out of the way. Yeah, onto the trash bin you go. Okay, I guess the smart thing is to assemble the steps first. I've never had these before. I'm curious if they are any good. Certainly hope so. It's a stab, I guess. I don't have the clip them, which is nice. Less faffing about. But I hope they... Wait, is this the right way around? I'm not sure. Of course it's not. What am I doing here? Okay. What the fuck? Can you please stop binding? How is it stuck in there? Okay. Let me see. Love it when a PCB does not offer many choices. Can this please... Is it even the right way around? Of course not. Yo, but what are these? What are you? Is this a hex? Also, can this camera please calm down with the focus, maybe? What are you doing? Holy fuck, please stop. How long has that been going on? Yeah, if that picks up again, I might have to kind of set it to something fixed, but let's see how this works out. Oh, they're washers. I'll use the washers. Why not? Of course, for the bots where would have needed them, I did not have washers. Like shorting weird ISO enterboards and stuff. I think I cut up a bag and kind of just made my own washer and poked it through, but yeah. This is very luxurious in comparison. Okay, first the tools. It's a short build, so I think I went with a small beard, but should be fine. Cheers, everybody. And then what else do we need? could have prepared this, I guess, but what even is this? It's hex, right? Is that Torx? What the fuck am I looking at? Huh. It's so small and I'm so stupidly. That's pretty much it. What are you? 1.5 hex, okay. Fine by me. What did I say about the washers? I want the washers. I have them and I'll fucking use them. What the fuck is wrong with me? I shouldn't be doing this. Like it's been a year since I built a keyboard. What the fuck is this? It's embarrassing is what it is. God fucking damn it. At this rate I'm gonna burn it while soldering or something. Okay, can we please get this in now so I look less stupid? Thank you. Shame there's no chat to absolutely butcher me for this, but I guess all the keyboard chatting kind of died out with DT, along with DT for us. So it figures. Like I barely care about keywords anymore, but this one caught my eye, so. Also, if you need music, I know every other single streamer on earth plays this annoying smooth jazz over everything, so you cannot combine it with your own music, but please go ahead, listen to whatever you want. This is not an elevator, this is a keyboard build. Come on, get in there. Will you? Whoop. Nice. Should have prepared these. Huh, get on there. Please. I guess I should also make sure that I loop this properly, but wondering how actually. Huh? I just looked at it. Don't tell me. Did I? I did fuck it up. Okay. Please. What is wrong with me? These really bind if they leave the bottom of the case, but they're fine otherwise. Just annoying during assembly. Alrighty, and then there is left shift. Oh my god. Of course, it's binding on the slider and then the slider doesn't. Okay. Ew, that's kind of disgusting though. Yeah, because it's this way up, then the soldering will completely burn the washer at this point. So, yeah, can't do that. Wait, no, I'm not soldering that part anyway. Okay, fuck it. That's the regular shift position. Okay. So from here, I should add some loop. So I'm done with that part once assembly comes. Let me quickly get the camera to fucking focus again. What the? Nah, hell nah. Let me check if I can switch the focus mode to something more appropriate. That is not. Oh, which button was it? Okay, this should quiet it down. Maybe. Let's see if it manages to focus on this. Also, I'm getting a piece of wood to apply some grease with. And when I say piece of wood, I mean toothpick. Alrighty. trying to be careful with this stuff because it is greasy, I would say. So I'm just giving it a small dab on the joints and then a bit into the slider housing, I guess, and outside of it is what's left, basically. That has been enough in the past, and I'm not a fan of like overly modding my sliders to some crazy standard. Like, either the slider is good and I'm fine with it, or it's shit and I use other ones. Okay, let's get the housing greased a bit. Too much. Okay, this is looking totally fine. Maybe here a bit more somewhere. Okay, should be good. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I can try to zoom in a bit for this operation. But basically, yeah, I'm just... is this focusing? I think the issue is that it's all black and not very contrasty. Basically, I'm just trying to dab a little around these... around this joint, and it'll get right in there through movement. Like with that much grease, it's just gonna stay there forever, pretty much. Nope, I'm out of the picture, of course, because I zoomed in. And once these got a dab, then I'll go in and basically just get it in there between the wire and the slider bit. And that should just work its way around the moving parts, given some time. Alright, bit on the outside. It's difficult to actually get this in frame and actually light it properly because light source is off to the side, so chances are you don't even see it. Is that enough? Probably. Let's add a bit more for good measure. Oh, I haven't filled this in yet, right? No, I have not. Loop these up. Ooh, that's a bit much. This seems fine. anything rattly here or... Yeah, that's good enough. Also, that's something you can easily repeat whenever, so I'm not too worried about it. Like, the ease of access without a plate is just pretty phenomenal, if I'm being honest. So, I think it's time to place the switches. So yeah, these are mixed off cherry blacks from the CT11 boards. And they are modded with the same thick 205 grease, just a very thin layer brushed on basically with some cheap ass brush, and that seems to work very fine for this. I built another board with those with that same grease application, and it's good. I don't know. I've always used the 105 before, but yeah, why not? So is this? Yeah, it's. I can place them. Just need to be a bit careful so they don't tumble all over the place, but should be fine. Oh, kind of. I'm kind of glad this came along because I was hoping for some cool 60 to use these with. I don't have that many left. I went to some other builds, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So the Hakka gets the order of the last of the Nixdorfs. This is not really tight, is it? Is it even in there? What's going on? No, it was not in there. Okay, I understand. God damn it. Should have pressed harder. Yeah, there's a tiniest bit of a click to actually make them stick, I think. Yeah. I need to pass that, otherwise this is gonna be impossible. They'll still fall all over the place once this gets full, I think. Shouldn't turn it that way, honestly. I also hope that all of these work, because I remember I had one or two switch bottoms before that were so old that they kind of didn't work anymore, but I'm pretty sure I just tossed them back into the pile with the remaining switches, so I might be in for a surprise here. These are not tested. Let's see, let's see. You might... Huh. Well, I'm in for a surprise already, because this one clearly misses a contact, so... Yep. That's what you get for using all the switches. And of course, it's gonna be a true HHKB layout, split backspace, nothing fancy. Oops. Gotta avoid pushing these out again. Also, I should take a closer look. Not that there's anything else hiding that lacks both contacts. Alright, since it's HHKB, I go for full caps lock, of course, or control rather. If it was anything else, I usually go with step, but not on this. Yeah, that one doesn't sit too tight, so it's gonna be an issue. Right, I forgot to get out the solder, so gotta go dig in my storage boxes for that, I guess. FN key and so about the the space position, I'm not sure. I guess I'll just go for center because all the GMK sets should be fine with that, I think. I don't think off-center only 6U is a thing. Oh, another thing. I should have really actually looked for a set that has 6U support. I am not certain I have that at hand right now. It's gotta be somewhere, but yeah. Somewhere isn't good enough, I guess. In fact, I have not decided on what to put on this. It's a bit of a mess, honestly. Gotta go digging. Do CRP sets come with... What am I looking at here? Do CRP sets come with... Isn't that straight even? I don't think so. That looks off, doesn't it? Huh. Well, it's what the holes dictate, so I'll see if it annoys me and maybe switch to the other position. Alrighty. Okay, so issue number 1 is the broken bottom. At least the obviously broken one. I don't know what else is hidden here. So let's pop that guy open and yeah, it's stuck in there. It's fine. Stock switch. Whoop. Nope. Don't go in there, please. somehow I lost the switch from on here. Get on there. Spring is greasy. Let's get that out of the way. God damn it. Oh no, I'm already about to dislodge all the switches. Okay. So far, so good. Then, the next issue, honestly. Yeah, it's probably those fucking spaceballs. I should solve that now, I guess. I could use DualShock, I guess. It has funny HHKD accents, so wait, that's the wrong way around. That's, oh my god. I'm living on a pile of shit here in this room. It's just spilling out of the shelves in every direction. So there is no 6U here. Yeah, should have checked that. Shame, really. What else might have a 6U? I'll end up not having one, that would be funny. Oh, muted. Yeah, I can totally see myself not having one. That would be... Oh yes, split spacebars. Split spacebars everywhere. Fucking splits. Is that? What is that one? Okay, so muted would work, I guess. It's slightly annoying though, because as you might be able to tell, it's on this keyboard right now. So, I mean, I can assemble it. It's just gonna look like shit, which is also unfortunate, but it's something, I guess. Oh, what else do we have here? I might have to go for that actually and just figure this shit out later, because if I keep digging I'll just end up dead under boxes. Why is my preparation so bad? It's annoying. Really fucking annoying. Alright, what is that? What about CRP? I don't think that it has anything support for 6U. That's such a weird size for Cherry, right? That's 6. That's only 2, so no. Would have surprised me, honestly. Yeah, kind of disappointed by DualShock. Did I miss a kit for that? I mean, what? I don't. Miss is the wrong word because I would have never thought of that when I got it, but. I should be going for beige then, but like that's in a pile. I'm scared of it. So yeah, no, I'm sorry. It's gonna be a bit shit, but it's gonna be assembled. Like this is actually center only, so I guess center makes sense here. Okay. Good. From there, it's off to soldering, I'd say. So, you now have to suffer because I'm using this extractor fan and it's gonna suck for me and for the microphone. Yeah, really should get one of these flexible cables for this. I mean, it's nice to have such a small package, but the cable still sucks. It's just some IBM PSU. Wait, did I not plug it in? Oh, it just died. Okay. Let's go. One leg first, so we can actually make sure everything is seated correctly. Get this a bit closer, maybe. I'm also blocking the light with the fan, which is a really smart move, but it's how it's set up here, I guess. This might be hurting more than it's helping, actually. Makes it a bit awkward to shove around. Also, I'm getting flux all over it. It's kind of... eh. Let me get this out of the way. It's the nice one. Maybe there is... yeah, pretty sure that's the one I usually solder on. So, let's get this for a bit of movement and... yeah, better. The nice thing with this is you cannot accidentally solder the control keys. Like I've done that before, building an HHKB, and you're happy soldering the whole PCB, and think, oh, it's going fine, I'm doing great. And you try to assemble it and notice that you soldered the whole fucking thing. So, yeah. Certainly done that before. Alright, so this is the important part. You have to make sure that, or the whole point of soldering one leg first, you actually make sure the component is seated properly. So kind of reheat the joint while pressing on it to make sure it's really fucking in there. Otherwise, chances are your keys are never gonna stick correctly. It's even more important with plates, I think, because the way you can bend them, there can be tension on it. You really need to make sure every single key is actually flush. Like, also, there's a reason that regular plate mount switches do not have the legs, because you basically over-define the key, and it's just an extremely tight fit if the cutout of the plate and the legs don't entirely agree. You need a lot of force to actually make them. And that's why no sane factory board would be designed like that. It's just stupid. But it also is a very tight fit, so it usually is good to work with in a hobby space. Because otherwise, yeah, you know, if the plate isn't a single purpose build one for that one layout, then it's gonna suck otherwise. Yeah, so far nothing moved, or I didn't feel it move, so... But I don't trust my eyes on this, it just needs to be done. Like, I can look over a board and miss entire unsoldered pins, but... So why should I not miss switches that don't quite sit properly? And once both legs are soldered, it's just gonna suck to correct. So never skimp on this while soldering. Ha! It moved. Totally worth it. Gotta admit that was one with the cutouts, so... A switch lacking support. Alright, almost done now. Alright. Round one done. Let me check if I'm happy with these joints. Nope, nope. Well, some could use a dab of solder. Only very few though. Yeah, I think I can see it from further away, so I can get going. Alright, I like my chances of having soldered everything. Let's give it a look, maybe. Oh, and I absolutely did not. Absolutely not. Also, this one is still a bit anemic. And then a second one, of course. Of course. Why would I ever solder all the pins on a PCB? It never works out. Never. Okay, so I wanted to correct this one, and what was it? Where are you? Just saw something and then it slipped my eyes. Maybe that one, maybe that one. Alright, let's get this done. You're absolutely not soldered. And this looks like shit. Okay, also you like a connection. And you could use some reflowing and some additional solder. That should be fine. All right. Maybe this time. As far as I can tell, yes, but is that soldered? Kinda, I guess. I guess. Should have worn gloves. Now I have these ugly stains on the PCB. I mean, maybe these are also what's leaving the stains, so I don't know. Okay, so maybe I actually want to test this. Wouldn't be a bad move, I guess. Unplug this so it doesn't wake up when I bonk the table. Then, maybe a cable that isn't currently plugged in. That would be useful. Do I have something like that? Somewhere, I guess. Aha, found one. And of course, it's a fancy daughter board, so I actually need to dig into those components to make it run. I'm gonna need those. That's the daughter board, in fact. And the rest of the keyboard. So, let me see if this thing does anything useful now. Oof, scared for these connectors, it's all so tiny. You. Nah. Please get on there in a straight line. Thank you. Okay, then I'm gonna open. That's good enough. I'm getting nothing, I guess. Okay, nothing it is. Then which part of this did I unplug accidentally? Oh, there it is. Okay. Please stop tugging. Oh, please. Okay, escape. 1, 2, 3. I mean, I don't need to know which is doing something. I just need to watch for any output. Oh, fuck. Disconnected it again. Oh, come on. How are these ports so fucking annoying? This can't be real. Just keep contact, will you? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think I'm fine. I just need to get it in a case where it doesn't get tugged on anymore, and oh, that's the FN. Down arrow works. This shift key is horrible. Holy fuck, what happened to this switch in its life? That's disgusting. Kinda caught itself. I don't know what's rubbing there for so badly. Okay, but it's definitely the least smooth I've had of these. Not in a scratchy way, but in a I have been used 200 million times way. Okay, everything works. So now I have to try and not kill this while I assemble it. Oh, pop this out. Oh my god, it's so scary, these connectors. Pop this out again. So, time to get to the meat of it. Nice. Maybe I should start by adding feet. So I can actually set it aside off the... Damn it. Next to the cloth. No, it's stuck to my finger. I guess it's fine. Oops. No! Oh my god. Scaring myself here. Okay. Done. Get rid of that. Now... Oh my god, this weight is heavy. Okay, what size is that? Also 1.5, I guess? Looks like it. Very no, that's more. That might be... Yeah, that looks good. So 2 millimeters, right? Okay. Collect all of those. Nice. It is looking good. Wait. I moved away the wrong part because this top has absolutely nothing to offer besides cosmetics. I thought this tool was magnetic earlier, right? So maybe the screws aren't. Nah, kinda, just not very much. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you? 5. Come on. 6. 7. All right, so this should give me the housing. Is that a slide-on part? Huh? How are you mounted? Tell me. What is this sorcery? It's not sliding, is it? God damn it, I don't want to push in any direction, really. Huh? This should be coming off, right? Is that supposed to slide or what? I'm actually scared now to move this in any direction, right? Huh? How are you assembled? God damn it. Yeah, the thing is, it could be a rail on the side, and if there is, it would be stupid to really tug on it, but it also... What is that sound? But also, it would be stupid to... What the fuck am I missing? Did that seize between the anode and the steel somehow? You know what? I'm gonna look at the build guide so I see the internals, into which direction I need to apply a bit of force. Where is that fucker? Right, put it back in there, I think. Let me get my phone for the QR thingy. This is really fucking annoying, honestly. So what the hell is going on here? Let me see your bowels. What the fuck? Is it just a homepage link? Just give me a direct link, will you? Huh? Are you kind of fucked on the phone or what is it? What is wrong with you? Give me your internals. Nah, it's just offline, okay? Where can I see the weight now? Okay, that's a good question. Give me internal shots. So there's a there's a technical drawing from the side, and it looks like it should just fucking pop out, right? Ugh, what the fuck? There is some plate to it, right? Yeah, okay, finally. Ah, it was stuck on these pins and just enough to be annoying. Okay, good to know. Should I loop these maybe? So they didn't see somehow. Or is that fine? Huh. Anyway. I guess this needs to go in this way up. And I hope I can do so without fucking up the connector in the process. Okay. Huh. I'm giving it a dab of loop. The way that just came out is kind of pissing me off, so I'm gonna give this a little bit less. Just the tiniest amount of grease in here. I should really use the brush for this, that would be much more efficient, but why am I not doing that? Maybe it's harder to apply less with this. Then what's the counterpart for that? I forgot. Still, let's just up a little bit on there. Okay, then. Thread this back in. Oh, it's tight. I should be turning this upside down without actually... Wait, no, I should be turning this way, I guess. So I see what I'm doing without bonking it all over the place. Yeah! Get in there. No. Angle it upwards. And... Ooh, this is annoying to assemble. Slot it in. Where are the screws for this? Okay. I hope so much that the connection is okay down there and I didn't accidentally bonk it out of the socket. I mean, this is barely a turn. Okay, no, it was, something was fucked. Now it's better. Oh god, I need to be so careful to actually hold it in before any amount of screws sits. Good. Okay, this feels nice. Nope. I'm absolutely horrible at this. Okay, I think I'm good here. So let's get all of that assembled. Okay, so where do the poles go? Question for that is, I think they point downwards and then slot into these holes with the long end. That should be it. So let me get these. I don't think I need all of them, right? It's just... Whoa. How do you even get these in, man? As soon as you press, you kind of compress them, and then it's kind of annoying to even get them through the hole. But if this is that hole, then this should... Yeah, okay, it goes there. Fine, fine, fine. Let me try and see, because I think these actually sit pretty tight, so I might have to get this in there from here. gonna be annoying, I feel like. Right? How are you supposed to get these fuckers actually into the PCB, man? Do I need to grease them? Do I want to grease them? Nah. Okay, should be fine. Also, I don't know. I guess they only move to the first thing on there. Well, I'll notice what happened. Okay, just a bit of force. It's fine. Yeah, I assume they cannot go any further in. Oops. I don't even know which elasticity these are, but if I had to order different ones, like I know that, oh no, you can get them in all the way, so I assume it goes in all the way, otherwise this design doesn't make a lot of sense, right? Pretty sure it must be all the way. Alright, so let's go another round of, yeah, just fucking press them in. God damn it, why am I not just applying some force? In, absolutely not in. Good. Getting there. Okay, maybe I should have, I don't know, I hope these aren't as tight in the top housing as they are here, because that's gonna be a mess. Nah, it's fine. Okay, these sit very nicely. All right. Now, done with these. Done with that, hopefully. Get the bottom case here. Whoops. And assemble the fucker. So this points the right direction. Oof. Let me try and get this in, because that was the connector that's always giving me problems when I had it running outside. Okay. I wish I had some electrical tape to just, you know, get it over there, get it safe so it can withstand just the tiniest bit of tugging that might be going on here. But yeah, that should be fine, right? Actually, I can test if it's fine at this point. Where? Here's the goddamn cable I'm going to. Oh no, I hope the angled cable fits this. Should have picked a regular one. Yeah, no, but I probably just fucked up the cable. God, why am I making this so difficult on myself? It's just useless. Could have prevented this. Could have totally prevented this. This is my very own suffering. Let's get this cable in here. Come on. Don't tell me. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's all good for now. So what did I just do to the cable? Still alive. I take it. So from here we should be fine to just close it. Whoa. Come on. Yeah, now I'm gonna suffer because I'm an idiot and I have not prepared the right key set for it. Should have gotten muted off there, off the other board. Or dug out a beige one. But I come unprepared. Nice. This looks very nice indeed. Get my ugly fingers off this weight. So yeah, pretty cool. And it really deserves some nice classic key set, but yo, here we are. Right, key set issues. Let me think. What should I do? There's some nice, pretty even flex to it. It's a bit more in the middle, as you would expect, maybe. Space has flex. It's nice, like it's pretty decent. I don't know how it sounds yet, but let's try and figure this out. God fucking damn it. Alright, so no, wait, let me. think DualShock would have been nice, right? Do 6U spacebars exist for this set? Could have worked. It's been a while since it ran though, so maybe that's not an option. Oh, this is gonna be so annoying. Let me try and... What's in there? Man, I have so many boxes, I forgot what's in everywhere. It's just... fucking annoying. Check something. Oh, like in keyboard right now. It's not a smart move. Oh my fucking god, I'm such an idiot. There was a 6U set and I did not buy it because back then I had no idea an HHKB board would be coming along. So now I'm fucked because it's sold out. Like the standard set is actually in stock, but not the fucking edition I need. Oh, this sucks. Oh, this sucks. I gotta search for one and pay out of the arse for it, I guess. God fucking damn it. But the fact that it exists, I might as well just put it on there with the wrong spacebar and just fix it later. Man, this is such a bummer. When you think you'd never in your life ever build a 6U cherry board, but then you actually end up doing it. That's so bad. I should have a black one somewhere though. I'm pretty sure I have something that's less shit than the colored one I'm about to put on there, but I don't know where it is. Yeah, okay. Alright, I'm not gonna delay this. I'm just gonna put the... Like, I have the colored accents and shit, but I'm just gonna put the standard DualShock on there and try to figure out the spacebar situation later. And if I don't, then I don't know. I hope I can do it before I take any pictures of this. But for now, it's gonna be this fucker. At least I had that lying around close at hand. Whoops. So much flex here. I don't want to bend it too much. Did I overloop the spring? That stabs, or do I need a stronger spring? What's going on? That should be fine, right? I guess it's fine. Oh my god, I should have put these on before assembling. That is a tight fit. I don't want to press like a total madman, but you. Poor PCB. And another one. Oh god, please just gently wiggle it on there. Okay. Should be fine. Then, do we have a control key? We kinda do. Do we have backspace? Yes. Do we have the pipe, yes. Then a right shift maybe? Yes, also. It's really just the fucking 6U that is in the absolutely shit tier keys you never use kit. Okay, where's your bottom row? These are alts. And what's the idea for super here? I think I'm just gonna... Yeah, super is a bit not a big fan actually. Now that I think about it. Might as well use the arrows here. Okay, are we done with the special shade? Wait, where's the non-colored tilde? Because I'd prefer that to not be red. Okay. Escape may be red though. That's fine by me. Oh, this is sticky. Should have looped it less. I guess these stabs have super tight tolerances, so they don't really take as much. That is annoying. Very annoying. Where is my fucking key puller? Oh god, this... This room needs such a restructuring, it's horrible. So how did I fuck up here? That's now the question. And can I save it? That's the next one. I mean, there's... Pick up some of the grease from these surfaces. And maybe that's enough to... Oops. Did that help? Question mark. It doesn't really work with it, so I have to actually get in there and flush the stabs a bit. Nah, that's... Yeah, I should have tried it first, but they have basically no tolerance and kind of suck once they're lubed, I guess, with something as greasy as this. Yeah, okay. Okay, that is... The spacebar is fine, funnily enough, but these are a bit sluggish, so I might have to do something there. Okay, but let me... That is not part of this build video. Also, that's not part of this evening. I just don't want to deal with that. But I want to get a key set and use it for a bit. Also, then I can decide if I actually want to hunt down that stupid spacebar or if I go with something else entirely. Like, I I still have Greek beige somewhere, so I could go with that. Also wouldn't be too bad, I assume. I think it's also an off-center problem. Like I had this key on a bit sideways and then it bound more than necessary because, like, there's, as I said, these stabs are a bit tight. Like, and I don't think I'm a fan of very tight stabs because it just makes problems like this more apparent and changes the key feel more than it needs to. It's silent, but it's a bit counterproductive. Like, I wish fucking cherry stabs were still available and screw-ins, I mean, could just throw them in everything like I used to, and they just work. Okay, let me plug this in and actually type on it. It's not pretty, it's not really done, but it's as far as I can get today. So yeah. Unfortunately the turnout was kind of shit, but well, I guess that's what you get when the channel is kind of that. Also, I might have to actually, let me open a speed test or something. Some keys might be actually be a little bit worse because I already sorted these keys through, and they are just the most used leftovers I had. Let me see if I can also set this on a desk so it sounds a bit more like the keyboard I would actually use. Oh, there's a logo on this side. Check this out. It's a bowl. Incredible. What's in it? No one knows. I am not sitting in front of this properly, and that is scary bad. It's nice, it sounds nice, it feels nice, the surface is very nice. It's a cool keyboard. And finally, the first plate mount and true HHKB, which also pisses me off because it's the one key I never ever bought consciously for any set. Like, if I happen to have it, it's there, but most of the time I don't. So, yeah, so much for that. But yeah, if anyone watches this, then thank you, and or skips through this, I should say. I don't know what happened to the live chat turnout. Like, past streams were a bit more entertaining, but at least I got it done, and that's what counts for me anyway. Yeah, ignore that spacebar. It's fine. It's fine. It's probably gonna stay like this for ages because I just cannot be arsed and pick one of the other 10 boards. But I still like it. It's cool. Like, there's one board left on my shelf, and I just don't know what else I could buy at this point. So I'm already surprised I got this, but it wasn't a mistake, it seems. It's really well thought out, a cool mount I didn't have before. And yeah, HHKB, the one true layout. Alright. That's it for the stream. Have a good day whenever you watch this, and see ya.